A big hello to all the beautiful people watching my video. I hope you all are staying safe, you all are happy, you all are well. So today I am here with a new video, as you can directly see by the title, that today I am going to show you what all products I bought from Nykaa. Here's a big carton. So what all products I bought from Nykaa in that hot pink sale which was going on, and in which there were 50 to 70% off in all the brands, and it was the best deal. I don't have that pink background and all those things because this video is not sponsored. It is something that I generally bought from Nykaa. They have not sent me anything or something like that. So let's get into the video without any further ado. So I'm gonna review all those products which I bought. There are total 9 products which I bought from Nykaa. So the first one being the Nykaa Wanderlust Strawberry Daiquiri. I bought it in the strawberry flavor. This is a shower gel and it's just amazing. The sweet fruity fragrance of strawberry is just wow. But one thing is that the fragrance doesn't stay for long. It leaves the skin soft and supple. And also it comes with this pop-up. It is spill proof and it has a gel like structure. So I really love this product. So the best thing about these gels are that these are vegan, cruelty and paraben free. These comes in so many flavors. If you want, you can go and try this out. The MRP for this was rupees 350, but in the sale I got only for rupees 280. Here comes the second product. As whenever I have been like asking people suggestions to what YouTube video shall I make next in Instagram. So many of you have requested me to make a makeup video. So for you all, I'm learning to how to do makeup. So I have brought this liquid Swiss Beauty liquid concealer. The MRP was rupees 229 and I got it in rupees 172. I have not tried it yet because I'm always confused in which shade to buy for my skin. So I'll try whether this suits me or not, or whether this matches my skin tone perfectly or not. The third product which I have got is this new Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. This was for rupees 229 and I got for rupees 174. But I don't know how to put eyeliner. My eyeliner never goes perfect, and for that reason I have not put eyeliner around my eyes today. But I'll learn, as I said. The fourth product which I have got is the Plum Green Tree Pore Cleansing Face Wash. I have always been confused and I've always been scared as to which product will react on my skin. So for that reason I was not using any of the face washes, but I came across this. I thought let's give it a try. Reading so many reviews, I brought this and it's really amazing. It suits on my skin very well. It's best for people who have oily, acne prone skin like me. It has a gel like consistency and the skin feels soft, supple, and it feels fresh after cleansing, and it is mild on the skin. Also, this product is 100% vegan, so it is very safe on the skin. The MRP for this was 495 and I got only for rupees 371. The fifth one which I got is the Bronson Professional Lip Filler Brush. The MRP for this was rupees 100 and I got it for rupees 80 only. There are lipsticks which does not contain any brushes, so for that I brought this one. The sixth product which I have is these nail enamels of Faces Canada Splash. I have bought it in 3 shades: Purple Rain, Hot Paprika and Marigold. And the one which I have applied over here is the Purple Rain. These are very quick drying. These have long lasting matte finish, as you can see. And these are camphor, formaldehyde and toluene free. I would really recommend these for girls if you want any nail paints that last for longer. So these are the one you should go for. The MRP for this is rupees 109 and I got it for rupees 100 each. Also, these comes in so many shades. There are many beautiful shades in this. I wanted to try, so I ordered only 3, and in an affordable range you are gonna get these nail enamels. Okay, so the other product which I have got is the T&W का cucumber toner. T&W का 2 products I have ordered. Sorry for mixing English and Hindi. 2 product मैंने इसके order किए थे. One is this cucumber toner and the other one is aloe vera gel. I'll come to this later. So first let me tell you about this cucumber toner. I have seen a very big makeup artist and so many bloggers using this. So, and they give genuine reviews. So then I thought to buy this one. This is for all skin types and this one hydrates the skin, leaves it so refreshing, and this is a savior in humid weather. It is free from paraben, artificial colorants, artificial fragrances, and this is a must buy. I highly recommend you all to buy this. This is suitable for both men and women. So I'm really in love with this one. MRP for this was 280 rupees and I only got it for 182, and that's a very affordable range. This is the best one. Next I'm going to tell you about this T&W pure aloe vera gel, and trust me, it is really pure aloe vera gel as suggested by the name. This is my second one. So this also it was recommended by a makeup artist, and yeah, I am really loving with this product. It suits all skin types. It's free from sulfates, parabens and all those things. It comes with added gold. You can see gold crumbles in this. Skin feels very lightweight and it is best for summers. It has all the vitamins, antioxidants and whatnot. It is really wow. Just wow. I can't express anything more than wow to this product. Just amazing. So I recommend you all to buy this aloe vera gel, and its fragrance is so soothing. Oh my god, my face feels really happy after applying. It purely nourishes. The MRP for this was 480 and I got it only for rupees 312. So the next one which I got is Bella's cotton pads. The MRP for this was rupees 129 and I got it only for 110. There are 80 pieces in this, and these are cotton pads, dermatologically tested. I wanted to use this because those cotton balls cannot remove makeup, and as you all have told me to do a makeup tutorial, so as I'm learning, so I don't want my skin to, you know, become so much worse by applying makeup products and also remover also. You need a very nice remover to remove the makeup. So yeah, for that only I bought this. I have not opened it yet. So the last product which I have is this Maybelline Creamy Matte Lipsticks. This is something which I did not get in sale. I bought it beforehand and I wanted to share this with you guys honestly. So this one I bought it in 660 Touch of Spice shade, and trust me, it's just amazing. It's, if you want everyday kinda pinkish nude matte shade, you can go for this. It lasts for 2-3 hours. It's really amazing. The MRP for this is rupees 229, and you could see the color. I'll show you. I'll show you the swatch as well. This is everyday kind of look you could go with with this. So here was my last product. Here I come to the end of this video. I showed you everything. I gave my honest reviews to you people, and if you want, I'll link all these products which I showed you in my description box. And if you want more haul kind of videos, please comment down below and let me know what kind of videos do you want to see next on my channel. I just hope that you all stay good, stay awesome. Please take care of yourselves, and thank you for giving your valuable time and watching my video. Thank you. We'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. And one more thing, please don't forget to like my video and subscribe my channel, and please share it with your friends if you find this helpful. Bye bye.